Hey guys, I'm Simon. We're going to take a quick look at the plant watering device today. So here we go. Here's the old one. You can sort of see the concept here. We have a timer with a pump, some tubing, and it goes up to the plant, and there's a tube feeding the plant. So this is the old model. I've had it running for about 3 years. Runs with a Picax 08 M2. It's not really programmable. The volume of the water and the pump time are hardwired in, and it does have battery backup, and I can test it. There's a test button here, you can see. If I press that, you'll hear the motor start up, and if we go up here and we take a look, we'll see that water is actually coming out and watering the plant. So it's working quite well. And you can see from this that it's been out in the weather quite a few years now, pretty much working flawlessly. Okay, now let's go take a look at the new version. Hey guys, okay, so here's the intro to the new programmable water pump with LCD display. Here's the reservoir. Moving over to the unit itself, here it is with the top on. I'm just going to take that off so that we can see the insides and touch the buttons. Here's the power cord. I recycled a nice long cord from a vacuum cleaner. We're just going to plug that in, and we'll see that the display comes up and it tells us that it's going into programming mode, and it's asking us to enter the volume. So we're going to enter, let's say 250 milliliters, which is a reasonable amount to give the plant a drink, something like that. Press the set button. Ask us for the time. We'll set that to say 12 hours and set that, and 0 minutes, and set it. So we're going to water twice a day, small amount of water, and we can see the timing button is running. The 1 Hertz indicator indicating our derived time base from the AC power coming on the transformer here. Here's the little pump motor. You can see the connections to the water tubes, the battery backup, which is just a few AA cells, and on the side here we have the fuse, power in, and the test button. So now I'm going to just run a quick test. So this is a momentary toggle. Just toggle it on, you hear the motor start up, and if I look here you can see the water pumping out, and that will just continue pumping until I turn it off or it runs out of water. So I'll toggle that off. Whoops, there we go. And this is a IP65 enclosure. I can show you the bottom of the lid here. You can sort of see the rubber gasket. It's supposed to keep the weather out. Here I'm underneath the sort of eaves trough of the house, and I don't think it's a good idea, even with this kind of exposure, enclosure, to leave it totally exposed to the elements. I haven't tested this long term yet. This is its first run really, so more to come, but I'm hoping it's reliable. I hope the design gives you some ideas of your own, and I'll see you on Instructables soon.